Today in the world of cannabis, the world's largest food and beverage company begins manufacturing CBD-infused products. A governor in the American Midwest reopens applications for the state's cannabis license lottery, and a Florida-based cannabis traceability company strikes a deal in the American Southwest. It's Wednesday, September 23rd, and this is your Trichomes Morning Buzz.
Broadcasting live from the Trichomes.com studios in Southern California. It's time for your Morning Buzz. We bring you late-breaking news that keeps you up to date with what's happening in the cannabis industry.
First up, Hemp Industry Daily reports that Nestlé, the largest global food and beverage company based in Switzerland, has begun manufacturing CBD softgels for its European market. Nestlé Health Science, a company's subsidiary, is collaborating with cannabis manufacturer Geocann, based in Fort Collins, Colorado. The two companies plan on utilizing VESIsorb, the leading delivery system for dramatically improving the bioavailability of poorly absorbed ingredients, to launch its broad-spectrum CBD softgel products. We are extremely proud to expand our relationship with Nestlé's healthcare professional brands into Europe after their success in the U.S. market this past year, said Jesse Lopez, CEO and founder of Geocann. In a statement, Geocann announced that the company underwent numerous toxicology tests on its products and plans to publish the results later this year in conjunction with the company's novel food application and FDA GRAS notification.
And next, following a federal lawsuit filed by a group of cannabis companies, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker announced that dispensaries will have a second chance at applying for the state's licensing lottery. This, according to CBS Chicago. The initial licensing application period for dispensaries took place earlier this month. Lawmakers announced that 21 applicants would be in the lottery drawing for 75 dispensary licenses. Of the 1,667 total applicants, the 21 winning applicants were those who received perfect submission scores, according to the Chicago Sun-Times. The federal lawsuit was then filed by a group of cannabis companies suspecting that those who were granted licenses were chosen under political motivations. While the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation has said that the organization plans to review the licensing process questions raised by cannabis companies, CBS Chicago reports that Governor Pritzker has reopened the application process to those who did not receive a perfect score the first time. Those companies will have the opportunity to either update their applications or directly challenge their scores.
And last up, as Oklahoma's medical cannabis program has exceeded 300,000 registered patients, MJ Biz Daily reports that a cannabis traceability company has agreed to contract with the state's medical cannabis program. Metric, a Florida-based company, now has contracts in Washington, D.C., and 14 states, including Oklahoma. Under the agreement, licensed cannabis businesses will be required to report their data to Metric or implement full integration with the company. Overall, it is estimated that it would take about 6 months to get all of Oklahoma's nearly 10,000 licensed companies integrated into Metric. The hope, according to the Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority, is to a seed-to-sale cannabis tracking system and bolster accountability and safety in the legal cannabis industry. The seed-to-sale system will greatly expand our compliance capabilities and improve the effectiveness and spread of any future recall efforts. OMMA Interim Director Dr. Kelly Williams said in the release, it will also allow us to detect unusual patterns that may indicate product diversion.
And that was today's Buzz. Thanks for listening. For more cannabis news and insights from industry professionals and a place to discuss these stories and others, visit trichomes.com.
And be sure to catch up with all of our other cannabis-related podcasts like Hash It Out, The High Ground, or Careers in Cannabis wherever you get your podcasts. For Trichomes.com, I'm David Fortin.
And I'm RJ Balde. Take care.